Hello friends, welcome to your channel Learning Tube. I'm your friend Sumit, founder and CEO of online GREcoaching.com. And today I have brought a video for you on sentence equivalence questions. Just stay tuned. For accessing complete study material on GRE, just visit www.onlinegrecoaching.com. And you can download GRE vocabulary app from link given in the description. Now friends, let's come to first question. Pakistan is dash providing safe haven to designated global terrorists, and it has become a regional pariah abandoned by all neighboring countries. Here options are notoriously, flagrantly, gently, amicably, audaciously and surreptitiously. Friends, flagrant means shamelessly bad or showing no respect for people, laws, etc. Notorious means well known or famous, especially for something bad. Amicably means friendly. Audacious means very bold. Surreptitiously means secretly. Notoriously and flagrantly form a pair. Providing safe haven to designated global terrorists. Hence that we need a word similar in meaning to condemnatory. Pakistan is doing highly condemning act by providing safe haven to internationally declared terrorists. Therefore, notoriously and flagrantly form a correct pair. Now friends, let's move to next question. Excessive patriotism is by definition dash as the elevation of one country to the rank of quintessential on earth necessarily requires some amount of demonization of other people. Here options are minatory, xenophobic, unethical, bigoted, nationalistic and truculent. Friends, feel free to pause this video and try this question. Here minatory means having a menacing quality. Xenophobia means fear of strangers or foreigners. Bigot means a person who is obstinately devoted to his ideas, prejudices, etc. Truculent gives a reference to a person quick to fight or argue. Bigoted and xenophobic form a pair. Demonize means to portray someone as immoral or threatening. The blank here is defined by the second of the sentence. Patriotism represents the elevation of one country to the rank of quintessential on earth. That is saying or believing that one country is the epitome or purest example among all countries on earth. So your blank should be something that involves the demonization of other people. A good fill-in would be prejudiced. Therefore, bigoted and xenophobic form a correct pair. Now friends, let's move to next question. Given the events that preceded the couple's separation, it is hardly surprising that the divorce proceedings were marked by ill will and dash. Here options are vituperation, indolence, obloquy, vacillation, doggerel and abeyance. Friends, indolence means laziness. Vituperation means harsh and angry criticism. Obloquy means harsh or critical statement about someone. Abeyance means suspension. Vacillation means oscillation. Doggerel means poorly written poem or article that is not meant to be taken seriously. Vituperation and obloquy form a pair. The answer will complement ill will. The answer will complement ill will. So we should look for a word with a fairly negative meaning that makes sense in the context of a divorce. We need a word similar in meaning to criticism or curse. Therefore, vituperation and obloquy form a correct pair, which both refer to abusive and critical language. Now friends, let's move to next question. While the colonists would eventually push westward, first they were in for a long, difficult winter and the main challenge was to dash their existing resources. Friends, husband means to carefully use or manage something such as a resource. Steward means to protect or carefully manage property, etc. Peddle means to sell something usually in small amount and often by traveling to different places. Procure means to get something by some action or effort. Husband and steward form a pair. Sell and peddle also form a pair. The while indicates that the second part of the sentence will contrast with pushing forward. Due to the approaching winter, the colonists need to stay put and conserve what they have. Therefore, steward and husband form a correct pair. Sell and peddle do not work because there is nothing in the sentence to indicate that they need to sell or buy anything. And why would you sell your resource when a hard winter is coming? Procure doesn't work because the sentence references their existing resources. Friends, append also doesn't work because of its meaning. The colonists do not need to stand their resources on end. Thank you for watching and I will meet you in my next lecture.